Okay, I'm gonna run some detailed tests on the what's called a holding relay. This is the holding relay, and it's located. Actually, it's in a slot in the magnetic assembly. Um, Here's a magnetic assembly, and the holding relay is installed inside the slot and screwed in. This is an old one. Actually, this one works very well. It's just rusty. I got it working. So here's a holding relay externally. You can tell it has this capacitor across the top. Okay, so to know if it works or not, an easy test you can use. I've got a nice multimeter by Fluke. I will install or put the test leads on, I'm sorry about that, on this terminal and then this terminal. This is the black and yellow or black and green. So I'm seeing on this one 66 ohms. I think anywhere from about 40 to 70 should tell you that the magnet, you can barely see it, it's inside here. It's called the solenoid. Will have enough power, the windings aren't burned out, to pull this plate down. I call it a reed switch. So I'll disconnect the voltometer. I was reading ohms, and then I'll connect power supply. I put the power supply on this lead. You could probably do it the other way around. I don't think polarity matters. We'll see. What matters is that this I'm sorry about my finger. This reed gets pulled down. You can tell because it'll click. So if I touch this, hear that click? You probably can't see the motion. Yeah, you can. That makes a connection. So when that makes a connection, provided it's also powered with the main power line, which goes through this thing as well, what's going to happen is this reed switch will stay connected. It'll make a circuit. That circuit will provide enough power to hold this magnet down. As long as there's power to the main power, this magnet will stay stuck. When that magnet stays stuck, this part here, as you can see it rotating. See it rotating? That's what moves the carburetor. And when it sticks to the base gets moved by a screw that goes this way with the motor, and then this rotates like this around the center point. That's basically how it works, and that's just a test of the holding solenoid, which is on many units. Not all of them. Some of them incorporate something different. This particular one is a 67, 68, perhaps 69 era. Used on several different models. I see them a lot on the Cadillacs, probably Lincolns and Imperials too. Over.